What do aquatic plants and animals use for breathing? Aquatic organisms rely on dissolved oxygen, DO, present in the water to perform cellular respiration. Fish use gills to extract this oxygen, while many aquatic plants absorb it through their surfaces. Spices are traditionally used to flavor food and are described as the aromatic parts of which type of plants? Most traditional spices like pepper, cinnamon, and cloves originate from the lush, warm climates of tropical regions. These plants produce aromatic compounds as secondary metabolites, which humans have used for centuries for flavor and preservation. What is the primary method of water loss from plants that accounts for the majority of transpired water? Stomatal transpiration occurs through the small openings on leaf surfaces called stomata and is the primary route for water loss in plants. It accounts for approximately 90 to 95% of total transpiration, driving the transpirational pull necessary for nutrient transport. What are primary consumers that eat plants called? Herbivores are organisms that occupy the second trophic level and derive their energy exclusively by consuming producers like plants and algae. They serve as the essential link between autotrophs and higher-level carnivores in a food web. Which term describes a plant adapted to an aquatic environment? Hydrophytes are plants that have adapted to living in aquatic environments, either submerged, floating, or at the water's edge. They possess specialized tissues like parenchyma to facilitate gas exchange and buoyancy in water. What is the definition of anatomy as it relates to plants? Plant anatomy, or phytotomy, is the study of the internal organization of tissues and cells within plant organs like roots, stems, and leaves. This field is fundamental for understanding how plants function and adapt to their environments. What type of plants are used to decorate houses, gardens, and parks? Ornamental plants are specifically grown for aesthetic purposes to enhance the beauty of landscapes, gardens, and indoor spaces. They include a wide variety of flowers, shrubs, and trees selected for their foliage, scent, or floral display. Cereal crops are primarily cultivated for their edible seeds and serve as staple foods. Medicinal herbs are plants used for their therapeutic properties in traditional or modern medicine. Fruit trees are primarily grown for the production of edible fruits rather than purely for decoration. When plants lose water, where does this process predominantly occur? Transpiration is the process by which plants release water vapor into the atmosphere, primarily through microscopic pores called stomata located on the leaves. This process is vital for creating a transpirational pull that helps transport water and minerals from the roots to the rest of the plant. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Goshen for more.